Hi, I'm Riya Kothari. We're from Jaipur and we're here for the Cheese and Chase personal styling workshop. This is my very dear friend Divisha, who's a personal stylist and a wardrobe consultant. She's also a fashion curator, and we're both here to do a personal styling workshop at the Colosseum in Hyderabad.
And we also have a very interesting pop-up where we bring beautiful finds from Jaipur just for the Hyderabad city. So we're very excited to see what everyone's response is to that.
So total, how many members came to the participate for the event?
Actually, we don't know. You'll have to ask the Colosseum people that.
Okay, just you are exploring about the Jaipur, everything.
Yeah, so this is a personal styling workshop where we talk about how to identify your personal style, how to build it, how to be confident in it, and how to find ways to make it stylish. And then there is the pop-up is separate where we bring some Jaipur products to everyone.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Namaste. I'm Anju Poddar. And my friend Sheetal, who's standing next to me, I'm a big fan of her jewelry. So when she said she's having a pop-up at Colosseum, I came. I'm so impressed by the store. High quality all the way, very nice hospitality. But what brought me here was Sheetal's jewelry. Very historic, very traditional, and it connects me to my Hyderabad. And it's very affordable also because she is using silver. Now gold has become so expensive, and for destination weddings also it's very good. So designing how she uses birds and elephants and fishes, all sorts of things, and how she ties her pearls together, very old tradition, so it's good. And I think pan-India, she's become very famous. Recently, last week, 3 people called me from different cities. If I know Sheetal, I said, obviously I know Sheetal. She's a niece to me. So I wish her all the best, and I wish all the people of this Colosseum my best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pleasure.
Sheetal, ma'am, just a few words.
Hi, my name is Akshay Tulshan, and I'm a business partner and director here at the Colosseum, Hyderabad. So Colosseum is the biggest design space in our country today, wherein we have 15 floors of interior space with almost 4 lakh square feet. So we can call ourselves the biggest in the country. Today what we're doing is the curated corridors at the Colosseum. This is a monthly event that we do, and every month we encourage artists, designers from different parts of the country. So this month it's a wardrobe edit, and we've got Divisha and Riya Kothari, influencers, style influencers from Jaipur and Bombay, come and do a little afternoon for all of us to have some fun. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
patterns and looks for our bigger days. Divisha does very cool lives on her Instagram where she curates things for different occasions, for different situations in life, and gets you those pieces, those selections. So that is one of her very important quality that you will eventually see through the workshop. Today we're both here to present to you a Cheese and Chase workshop, but we also are partners at this property called Love From Home. We're both Jaipur girls. Divisha is now in Bombay, but we're both Jaipur girls and we love to showcase the art and craft that Jaipur has to offer. So we have a property that I said like...
Let me introduce you to Riya. Riya Kothari is from Jaipur, something unique in every brand she works with, and she has a history in brand communication and strategy as well. As a passion, she started Cheese and Chase, which is unique experiences around the country. What she really got to be known for was her vision board workshops, which are excellent because at the beginning of the year, when you're trying to figure out your vision for the year, it really helps to...
तो husband को भी बोलो बाहर जाओ. I'll stay separate. पूरा house is my wardrobe. It's not practical. I know it's the best thing, but it's not practical. So somewhere you see what works for you. Are you the kind of a person like how Yushi said? Are you the kind of person who parties a lot? Then you probably need to sort your party wear as more important. If you're somebody who wears formals to office, so what's important every day? The formals. So obviously that's your priority. I don't dress like that. For me, every day is a party. For me, I don't have difference between party clothes. I'm not going to a rich person's house so I take out my Louis Vuitton. No, I want to wear a Louis Vuitton, I'll wear it. You understand? So for me, my clothes are not segregated based on the class or the formality of it. But अगर किसी के लिए वैसा है, तो then you design your wardrobe accordingly. And now the last question from our dear friend. Yes. How would you like to organize? Give a tip. How would you like to organize your wardrobe? What is your essential? Would you like to introduce yourself?
Well, I think you're asking to the right person.
Yes.
Because I don't know, I mean, being a doctor, OCD is not the right word to be used. It's totally a disorder. But yes, I belong to the first stage of OCD totally. So I'm like very particular about, folding it in a proper sense. And I always prefer it to be folded. And some, the used ones can be into the hangers. But yeah, what you usually wear, like, what is the most common thing which is, so the high class sector is written as A with the same, A category. So this is like basically, we don't set the wardrobe every day. That's the challenge. It is our staff which does that. And for them, they don't know. Burberry bhi ek hi hai, unke liye some XYZ is also the same. So then I particularly say, A wala ye yahan mein rahega, ye t-shirt itna hai, so please don't mess with me, otherwise I'll go mad. And then we have puja items where, because sab log non-veg khate hain kabhi-kabhi, and then the veg stuffs you don't know, you don't remember what you're eating on that day. So I keep those stuffs totally different.
New category.
And
Rishi from Hypekicks. So today we have a pop-up at the Colosseum. We have a huge display of all the luxury articles from different brands like Gucci, Burberry, Prada, and so on. So see you soon at the Colosseum.
What is the collections everything has displayed here?
Sorry?
Collections are displayed here.
Yeah,
What are the collections?
like bags. We have bags, watches, belts, accessories. Yeah.
How is the entire everything, the response, everything from the customers?
The response is great. We have a very good connect with people today, so I love it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
అమ్మ తీసుకుందామంటే విద్య తీసుకుంటారు introduction please.
Basically, I'm Darshana Tulshan, a chef, a curator, aesthete, and also a managing director and partner in Colosseum. Yeah.
So what is the event is going on with the Colosseum?
This is our 12th edition of Curated Corridor, and we are doing this because the festive season is coming, Diwali. We are doing a wardrobe styling and organizing. So we are going to introduce personal styling for people, and also we have a wardrobe organizing session which I'm going to do in a while. Yeah.
And what are the collections and designers wear as there here?
I didn't get you.
Wardrobe, like so many collections are there, like jewelry.
So, okay. Today with the Curated Corridors, we have introduced Hypekicks, which has got luxury brands like Prada, Gucci and all. Then we have Sheetal Zaveri, who has a very Indian classical and modern design, her jewelry collection. And from Riya Kothari, Divisha Kothari, we have brands from Jaipur and Bombay, which they have come up with their own edition. Yeah.
So how is your feeling like this event?
I'm feeling great. I'm happy that people are enjoying it here and just having fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Andarki Namaskaram, Nenu me Lakshmi Manchu. So you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మెల్ల నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anasuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Katisha. Please subscribe.
అశ్విన్ బాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, I'm Digangana Suryavanshi. Please subscribe to City Lights.
Hi, నేను Shamila. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, నేను మీ అశ్వినిశ్రీ. So please do subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Priyanka Upendra. Please do subscribe to City Light News.
సిటీ లైట్ ఈ ఛానల్కి ప్రేక్షకులందరినీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఛానల్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మానస్ నాగులపల్లి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, my name is Natasha. Please like and subscribe City Light E-News. Thank you.
Hello everyone, నేను మీ సిద్ధు. ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
సిటీ లైట్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ పెట్టండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీ మహతి.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, నేను మీ రవి వర్మ అడ్డూరి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
ఏక్నాథ్, ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi, this is Ashmita. Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
హలో, నేను మీరాశి సింగ్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నేను ఆదిత్య మేనన్. సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్ ఛానల్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.
సిటీ లైట్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.